Module 1, Non-Specific Time Expression. English, the day before yesterday. Romaji, ototowi. Yesterday, kino. Today, kyo. Tomorrow, ashita. The day after tomorrow, asete. Every day, mainichi. Morning, asa. This morning, kesa. This evening or tonight, konban. Every morning, maisa. Every night, maiban. Last week, senshu. This week, konshu. Next week, raishu. Last month, sengetsu. This month, kongetsu. Last year, kyonen. This year, kotoshi. Next year, reinen. Every week, maishu. Every month, maitsuki or maigetsu. Every year, maitoshi or mainen. Class, jugyo. Meeting, kaigi. Work, shigoto. Deadline, shimekiri. Vacation, yasumi. Break or rest, QK. Birthday, otanjubi. Schedule, yute. Project, projekutu. Party, party. Exam, shiken. Christmas, Christmas. Now, ima. Next, tsugi. First, mazu. Noon, hiru. Weekend, shumatsu. Weekday, heijitsu. Module 2, Time and Transportation. English, International Student. Ryugakusei. Student, seito. Classmate, kurasumate. Group, grupo. Member, menba. Vehicle, norimono. Motorcycle, baiku. Bicycle, jitensha. Car, kuruma. Taxi, takushi. Bus, basu. Train, densha. Subway, chikatetsu. Bullet train, shinkansen. Ship, boat, fune. Airplane, hikoki. On foot or by walking, aruite. Part-time job, arubaito. Training, torenunku. Seminar, zemi. Conversation, kaiwa. Assignment, shukudai. Problem, Monday. Round trip of fuku. One way, katamichi. Span of time o kan. English, 5 minutes. Romaji, go fun o kan. 30 minutes. Sanju pun kan. 1 hour. Ichiji kan. 3 hours. Sanji kan. 2.5 hours. Niji kanhan. 1 day. Ichinichi kan. 10 days. Tuka kan. 1 week. Ishukan. 2 weeks. Nishukan. 1 month. Ikagetsukan. 4 months. Yonkagetsukan. 1 year. Ichinenkan. 3 years. Sanenkan. Module 3, Adjectives. English, hot. Romaji, atsui. Cool, zuzushi. Delicious, oishi, expensive, high, takai, cheap, inexpensive, yasui, warm, atatakai, spacious, hiroi, small, chisai, good, ii, fast, hai, slow, osoi, cold, things, tsumetai, new, atarashi, old things, furui, spicy, karai, sweet, amai, few, sukunai, many, oi, dark, kurai, bright, akarui, fun, enjoyable, tanoshi, noisy, urusai. Na adjective, English, quiet, shizukana, clean, beautiful, kirei, famous, yume, polite, teinei, kind, shinsetsu, convenient, benri, lovely, nice, suteki, lively, nigiyaka, free, not busy, hima, serious, earnest, majime, handsome, handsemu, inconvenient, fuben, strong, durable, jubu, tough, difficult, taihen, easy, simple, kantan. Module 4, Verbs. English, eat, romaji, tabemas, drink, nomimas, read, yomimimas, write, kakimas, listen, kikimas, speak or talk, hanashimas, watch or see, mimas, buy, kaimas, go, ikimas, wake up, okimas, sleep, nemas, rest, yasumimas, start, hajimarimas, finish, owarimas, work, shigotoshimas, cook or make, chukurimas, call, phone, denwashimas, study, benkyoshimas.